Hi, welcome to Chef Pachi's delicious and easy cashew sauce. We are going to make a lot of sauce because I'm making sauce for 450 servings. But I'm giving you the exact recipe for a small portion of a third cup of cashews in the YouTube channel. After the video, just scroll down and you'll find the recipes. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to process those cashews. And I've bought unroasted, just dried and unsalted cashews. I added a mix of almond and soy milk, half and half, salt, pepper, honey, dark sesame oil. And this dressing that we're going to make right now is not spicy. Garam Marsala spice that is delicious. Basil leaves or just a bunch of basil leaves. We're using a food processor type blender, but you can do this in a blender or a food processor, either of the two. In a food processor, it's going to be a little more gravy. In a blender, it might be a little lighter, but it's going to thicken with time. With a couple of days gone by, it'll thicken in the fridge. So enjoy this beautiful and amazing sauce. You're going to love it, and it's high in all sorts of vitamins, minerals, protein, and great fats for you. Enjoy it with a variety of foods. You can add it to seafood, you can add it to poultry, to pork, to tofu, which is what we're using it for, and to many other recipes that you love. Check out how it thickens. It's beautiful. Second recipe coming now. Now our second sauce is almost the same thing. I'm showing you the top view so you can see these are dried cashews that are not salted. So the first thing we do with this one is we add our chipotle pepper to our cashews so that we blend them together first. And this is going to help our dressing if you process them. If you don't have a good blender or a processor, you can just chop these on the side and then add them to the blender already chopped. That way it's going to be a little bit smoother. If you have a power blender, just put everything there at once and no problem. Now we're going to add our mix of almond and soy milk. Like I said, you can use any of the two milks that you want. Some pepper, some salt. Then we're going to add our honey, some good quality dark sesame oil for an extra nutty taste, roasted, delicious. Then garam marsala, and remember we had our chipotle already mixed with the peppers. Now we're going to add our basil and process, and voila, you have a perfect and amazing sauce. These sauces will keep in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It's perfectly all right. You can make it with coconut milk. You can make it with any of the mix of milks you want. Here, I wanted to use these two. Check out the spicy one. It's a tint of yellow and delicious with the dots of basil on it. Enjoy these sauces with any food you want. Keep it at home anytime for snacks. And if you add less milk, you can make a thicker sauce or a dip. With Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Enjoy!